Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shraddha. So in this today's series, I will talk about the assertion in a playwright. So let's get started. First is, what is an assertion in a playwright? So an assertion in a playwright is a way to validate expected outcome in your test scripts. It's confirm whether a particular condition in your web application holds true. For example, like checking if a button is visible, or if a URL is correct, if a piece of text exists on the page. So, and how assertion work in Playwright? So Playwright uses the expect method API for assertions. It's work with locator and page object to assert various conditions. So for example, we're using the JavaScript or TypeScripts. And why assertion matters? So assertion help or ensure that UI behave as expected, or data is displayed correctly, action like clicks and input have the intended effect, regression are caught early. Without assertion, a test might perform action but never check if they actually worked. So there is a different type of assertion. This is the official website, playwright.dev docs test assertion. So we will go one by one. To have URL, we are validating to have URL. It's give the URL of the page, so we will validate this method through. To have title method, we will validate the page of the title. To be visible, expect method we will use for validation. And dot to be visible, it will ensure that element is visible or not on the web page. So we will use the to be visible method. And the next one, fourth, is to be enabled. So it will control or see the input box. So there we can see the it's enable or not. So for that we will use the enable method, to be enable. To be checked, we will use the radio check button to validate that it's checked or not. So if it is not checked, so it's use the to be. If it is checked to be, so then we will use the to be checked method. And next one is to have attribute. It will identify that attribute on the web page. To have text, it matches the text on the web page, or we are validating here. And the contain text, it's validating the element contain text. And last one is the input values. So we will count the or validate the input has value. So that validation we will do. And you can go on the Chrome and write the Playwright docs. And here you can see the first link, Playwright fast and reliable end-to-end testing for the modern web app. Click on that and go on docs. And you can see here assertion here. And this is the different type of method we will use in the assertion to validate the to be attached, to be checked. So many method you can see here. So I am using here a few method which can through I'm validating the, or I'm using a session. So let's get started. We will go on the Visual Studio Code, and here you can see test folder. We will create one file under this test folder and provide the name of assertion hyphen test dot spec.js, and here you can see some text are showing up. So if you want to remove all the text, or so what we need to do here, just enter and it will completely gone all the text. And now we will start the script. So first what we need to do here, we will write the require method. In this require method we will import the package, and here is equal to, and provide the function here, or expect test we will use for testing, and expect we will use for validation, and this is the const, means to constant. Here first line I have imported the package, and this package you can see here, Playwright test, and in this Playwright test you can see all the package and all the packages here, package log.json and all the modules we can see here. And now we will write the test block. In test block we will provide the method, module name. So I will say assertion page, and here provide the async async, it's doing the promise, and there is a page fixture which can help through, we need to access the method and function, and provide the anonymous function. So here the second line, I mean the test block, we are providing here the module name and async which is doing the promise, and page fixture, with the help of page fixture we will access the method and function, and here we are providing the anonymous function, page dot go to, and here we will provide the URL of the page. So I'm copying here blissdemo.com, Control C and Control V, and here we will write the await keyword, which is wait for the promise, and let's execute in terminal npx playwright test folder, under test folder assertion, provide the file name assertion hyphen test dot js spec.js and enter. let's see, assertion hyphen spec.js, no tests tst. Okay, we need to first save the file and then provide here in the terminal the command. Sometime it's not saved, so that's why it's not showing up. So Control S, or we can close it and it will give me the option. So now again I have to click it and provide the same command, npx n, or we need to write in the new terminal, npx playwright test, test under assertion hyphen test dot spec dot js and enter. Let's see, running 3 using 3 workers, and it's the test got passed here. And if we want to see the result or report, we need to give this command and enter. Okay, again I'm getting the port issue. So what we need to do, hyphen port is equal to 123 and enter. Let's see, it's working. Yeah, it's working, and it will open this. So you can see here my all test, the test is pass in Chromium, Firefox and WebKit. Pass 3, fail 0, flaky 0, skip 0 and all 3. So we are navigated on this site. And if we want to validate this URL, what we need to do here, first of all, what we need to do here, we will use the same thing but expect, because we want to validate the URL, expect page fixture dot to have URL, and here Control C and paste it here. And this should be const. So we are using the URL is not, this is the page fixture here, so await. Okay, and now we will provide the command in the Control C and use the new terminal, because if you are using in the new terminal, might be it will not give you any error and it will execute your program well. Now we want to see this report, so Control C and provide here okay, every time I'm getting the port is equal to 123. Okay, let's see, it's accepting. No, it's already, we are used it, and then space hyphen port is equal to 9324. Let's see. Okay, it's working, and it will open the report. You can see that all 3 passed, got passed, and 3 0 failed, flaky, and skipped. You can see assertion page in our Chromium, Firefox, and WebKit. So in this way we can validate the URL of the page. Similarly, if we want, so we can see here, actually, where is the okay, so URL we have already used or validate. Now to have title, so we are going to have title. What we need to do here, similarly we need to use this Control C and paste it here. Only change the title, and so here we need to delete dot to have title method, and in this method we will provide the title of the page. So I will go and check the title of the page. So right click, inspect, and Control F, and then right. So you can see Blizz demo is the title of the page. Control C, we will copy here and paste it here. So now execute the command. First we need to Control C, and here open the new terminal. Every time whenever we are opening the new terminal, it will and enter, it will give you the new, and you will write the new command, and most probably your code will execute properly. And 3 got passed here, showing up. What we need to do, the next step, we need to copy and paste it here, and space hyphen for a safe side. I'm using 9325. Let's see, it's working. Okay, I have enter, and now it's working. Okay, so you can see all 3 tests is got passed. 0 fail, flaky 0, skip 0, and all passed. So in Chromium, Firefox, and WebKit. Now we are able to see the let me open it. And now what is the next? So we will use the to be visible. So to be visible, we will use this to be a visible method here. So what we need to do here, first we will go the this application and see, this is find flights is visible. So first we need to inspect, and here we can see the value in the class. So Control F and dot means to class, and hash means ID, and here we can see it's a input types submit class btn hyphen primary, and value is find flights. So I will take the class attribute, Control C, and paste it over here to check it. Okay, that's class okay, it's not giving me anything, so we need to use the input put. Okay, here, not here, input dot and dot is equal to so it's not matching, or I need to close it, or dot is not matching. Okay, let me inspect again, and we can use directly the class. See, this is the class. Okay, so find and Control C, directly we can use the value class, and we will go on the. So what we need to do here, first I will write the locator here. So what is the locator exactly here? Page dot locator, and provide the locator is class is equal to and Control V. That should be page should be await keyword, and once we provide this in page, okay, so page, whatever the locator we will get it here, we need to store in the variable. For that, what we need to do here, so give the variable name search box, and it should be const. So, and after that we will use the await expect, because we are validating here, and provide the variable name here, Control C, and search box dot to be visible, Why it's not showing up? Dot to URL locator title length null contain property. So we need to dot to be visible method. To be visible method. Okay, we are using the to be visible method and execute this in the command npx playwright test folder backslash and provide the file name assertion -test.spec.js and execute the or enter, and let's see how many testers pass and fail in this. So all 3 tests are passed. So let me copy this, Control C and Control V. Let's see it's generate the report or not, or there is an issue with the port. So Control V and the space -- port is equal to 9329, and let's see this port is working or not. Now it's working. Every time we need to change the port, and you can see here this test is also passed. So we have first we need to import the here in this test. First we have imported the package, and after that write the test block, provide the URL of the application, and after that we are validating the URL of the application. Then we are validating here to title of the page, and then this is the let me show you. So this find flights is visible or not on the web page. That after that I'm validating the first we will provide the locator of the element, and this, and then so first we will provide the locator of the element, and then here I'm validating that that locator or that element is present or not on the web page. So to be visible method we are using it. So I hope you like my video and you will able to understand the Playwright. Here I'm just validating all the method. So with the help of using the assertion I'm using here, every time providing the some locator or some method. So I hope you like my video. Please subscribe, share and like, and hit the notification bell so you will get the latest video and you don't miss it. Thank you so much.